The word put, to place or set something somewhere. Put it down, put on the table, put away. Please put the book down on the shelf when you're done. She put the groceries on the table and started unpacking. Don't forget to put away your clothes after folding them, to attach or apply something. When put on makeup, put on a coat, put up a poster. She put on makeup before going to the party. He put on a coat because it was cold outside. And we put up a poster to advertise the event, to express or state something in words, and put it simply, put into words, put differently. And let me put it simply. We need more time. I can't put into words how grateful I am. Put differently, the solution wasn't effective, to cause someone or something to be in a state. Put at risk, put to sleep, put under pressure. That decision may put the whole team at risk. The vet put the dog to sleep peacefully. She was put under pressure to finish the project early, to invest or commit time, money, effort. Put in time, put in effort, put money into. He's put in a lot of time improving his skills. They put in so much effort to make the event a success. We decided to put more money into marketing, to assign or direct toward a purpose. Fund put to use, put in charge, put through. Those tools will be put to good use on the job site. She was put in charge of the new department, and the assistant put me through to the manager immediately.